YouTube, when I got this car, I didn't think I was gonna do this. I thought I was gonna leave it bone stock, no type of modification, nothing done to it, right? But guess what? Wrong. So I gotta make the Civic my own. Just like I did these guys, I gotta make it my own type of car. And I'm trying to sell these, but man, these are so hard to sell. And these are the Honda badges that I took off the car. I actually like that it says only Honda Civic, and it doesn't say Honda Sport Touring and all this other stuff. I like the clean look. I don't care if people know that is a Bose system inside or not. But this is the duckbill. So when it's all said and done, this is what it's gonna look like. I like how this is gonna look. It's not stuck yet, as you guys can see. But I'm about to glue it down or stick it down. And the most important part, if you see the body line, you want this line to line up with this part right here, not quite to the edge. So this is how I'm gonna stick it down. So you see how you can see the ridge? You don't want to put it at the very tip of the ridge. Some people, I see them put it like right at the ridge like that. So that way it's more of the material than not. I do all my cars like this. Every car I put a wing or anything on it, I leave the little hump. I don't put the back of the lip at the very past this point. So it's a little bit of corner of it all the way like that. There's a little bit left. And I was gonna get this in matted black, but since these are gloss black, both of those are gloss black, I want the rear lip to be gloss, and I also want the front lip. What I do to install these double-sided tape style wings, I don't use alcohol. I don't use like complicated stuff. I use something as simple as Windex to clean the surface really good. And then once I clean the surface really good, I just put down the double-sided tape and I walk away. So bam, hit it with a little bit of that Windex, wipe it off, make sure it's nice and clean and dry, which is the most important. Has to be dry. Look at that. Look, it was still dirty. So now it's dry. I'm gonna start to peel the double-sided tape. But on this part, I do need two hands, so I'm gonna cut the camera. Now I got it stuck on the car, both sides. I usually apply pressure here, and then I just pull this back, making sure that this whole lip part, because you see how, all right, so you see how it moves? So my recommendation, apply pressure as you pull this tab back until you get to the other side, so that way it sticks down. Because if you let, like, look, there's flex there, and I don't like that flex. So I'm gonna use two hands. I'm gonna hold it down as I peel back that red tape, and it should stay right where I want it to be, making sure it's lined up perfectly all across the entire thing, and then I should be done. And now, this is what it looks like, being all done. Like I told you, I like the little lip all the way across the entire trunk of the car. I prefer it like this. Oh, and then about the badges. So the car is supposed to have Sport, Touring, Hybrid on this side, and then the Civic on that side. But for me, I don't like it like that, so I have it where it says just Honda and then Civic. If you can't tell that this is the Sport Touring edition, then that's so be it. But on the inside of the car, it actually has the Bose speakers towards the front A-pillars. And if you was to get in, you will see, then you'll know this is a Sport Touring version. But nevertheless, I want to thank you guys for watching this real quick video. I'm sorry guys, I'm keeping these videos so short, but they're not that complicated to me. You should be able to do the same thing to your car. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.